Hello students, welcome back. Yesterday we have learnt about network, data transmission medium and network devices. Today we are going to learn about network topologies, or we can say the types of network. Let's start. Topologies of network. Before going in detail of this topic, we should know what is topology. By topology, we mean the layout of interconnection of devices in a network. Now, how to select which topology to be used depends upon the following factors. Number one is cost, flexibility, reliability, service required, desired performance. Star topology, tree topology, bus, ring, mesh. These are the common topologies used. We are going to discuss these one by one. Star topology. In this, each node is directly connected to the central device like hub or switch. All the nodes communicate through the central device or system, often known as server. Have a look on its advantages and disadvantages. Ring topology. In this, each node is connected on both sides. Data is accepted from one of the neighboring nodes and is transmitted to another. In this, data is transmitted in circular motion, or we can say only in one direction. Its advantages and disadvantages are on the screen. Bus topology. It is also known as linear topology. All devices are connected to a main cable called backbone. This type of topology was used in early days of computer networking. Hence, here are its advantages and disadvantages. Now, tree topology. It is the combination of star and bus topology. It offers more efficiency. It is used to connect small network spread in different buildings to form a big network. Then comes mesh topology. In this topology, there is no central switch, hub or server for communication. All systems nodes we can say are directly connected to each other and everyone in the network. There are few advantages and disadvantages of mesh topology which are on the screen. Now comes our next topic, type of network. The screen shows various types of network: LAN, WAN, MAN, PAN. Let's discuss one by one. LAN is local area network which connects computer and devices in a limited geographical area. PAN is personal area network, which is very small network established for communication between devices like mobile, computers and laptops. MAN, metropolitan area network. It is greater than PAN and LAN and extends across city or a metropolitan cities. Then is WAN, wide area network, which covers a very vast geographical area. WAN is a group of MAN, LAN and PAN. Have a look on the difference between LAN, MAN, WAN on the screen. That's all for today. Go through the PDF file shared with you. Till your next class.